Most people are still posting ordinary images, flat pictures, no movement, nothing special. But right now, you can actually turn your images into videos using AI. Yes, your normal pictures can start moving, talking, animating. And this is one of the easiest ways to get more attention, stand out online, and even create content without showing your face. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to animate your images using AI, and also how you can use it for your business or content. Make sure you watch this till the end. Before we dive in, my name is Abasiofon Emmanuel. I'm a brand strategist for business owners. I help you grow your brand online using content, positioning, strategy, and AI. And if you want more practical videos like this, make sure you hit the subscribe button right away. Now let's get into it. So before I show you the tool, let me explain why this is very important. Right now, attention is everything online. If your content is not catching attention, people will scroll. For example, you post a normal product picture and someone else posts the same product, but theirs is moving, animated, and engaging. Who do you think people will stop for? The animated one, of course. This is especially powerful if you sell products, you run a service, you create content, or you want to do faceless content. Let me give you real-time examples. For instance, you are a bag vendor. Instead of just posting your bag, you can animate it rotating or moving. Then for a food vendor, your food can start steaming or zooming. If you're an event planner, you can use it to transform your setup from empty to fully decorated. That alone increases engagement. Now let's talk about this tool. The tool we'll be using for this tutorial is Grok AI. Grok AI allows you to upload your image. This way you can easily upload your product photos. It also allows you to edit and animate your photos. This way you can turn your static product photos into videos. And the best part of this is that you don't need any editing skills. So without wasting much time, let me show you how you can start using it to animate your product photos. So this is Grok. I am currently using the web version. You can use the application by going to your Play Store or your App Store to download the app. So this is the icon you will see when you go to your Play Store or your App Store. Just download it to your phone if you want to use it directly on your phone. But for this tutorial, I'm going to be using the web version. So without wasting much time, let me show you how you can sign up on this particular platform. So just in case you don't have an account with Grok before, all you have to do is click on sign up. So when you get to this interface, you see options on how you can create your account. So you either say sign up with email, sign up with X, sign up with Apple, sign up with Google. Okay. So all you have to do is choose a particular option that you can easily sign up with. So for me, I usually advise signing up with Google. It's very fast. So when you click on sign up with Google, you have options to choose the particular Gmail you want to use. Because most of us, we have more than one Gmail account. So you can select the particular account you want to use. So just make your choice. So when you make your choice, you just verify and that is it. You automatically created your account. But for me, I already have an account in Grok, so I'm just going to sign in. So it's giving me options on which I'm going to use to sign in. Just for those that have an account already, all you have to do is sign in. Select the particular Google account that you want to use to sign in. So I'm going to click on log in with Google because it's actually the fastest method. Then I select a particular Google account I want to sign in with. So I'm already signing into Grok. This is my account. So I'm having Super Grok, as you can see here. Super Grok. Now, it is no longer news that Grok is no longer free to use. You have to upgrade to Super Grok or you look for other alternatives to animate your images. So if you've been watching some of my AI videos, you will come across videos where I talked about how you can get Grok at a cheaper rate or for free. I've attached the links of this video in the description. Do well to check them after this tutorial. Now, when you want to animate your image, all you have to do is click on Imagine. Then when you click on Imagine, you'll bring you to this interface. Now the first thing you're going to do is click on this plus to upload your image. Look at it, add upload image. So I'll click on it, upload or drop image. I'm going to click on this. So I'm going to select the image I'm going to animate here. So all you have to do is go to your gallery, select the particular product image that you want to animate. So for the purpose of this tutorial, I've downloaded some images online so I can actually show you how you can do yours. So I'm going to click on a particular image. I'm going to click on this particular red bag. I'm going to click on done to add it. So it's going to be uploading. Okay, this place you see type to imagine. This particular place, this is where you're going to type in your prompt. A prompt is a command or an instruction you give to an AI tool so you can get your desired results. Before I paste my prompt, I want to show you other things. Now if you look at this place where you have image and video, if I was to edit an image, I will just click on image. Now I want to animate an image, meaning I want to turn the image to a video, so that's why I'm clicking on video. So another thing you should also note here is this 480p and 720p. These are resolutions. So I'm going to go with 720p for this tutorial. Then the next thing you see here is 6 seconds and 10 seconds. How long you want the video to be. So I'll leave it at 10 seconds. So let me show you how you can actually get your prompt so you animate and get better results. So I'll come to this particular document. This is Google Doc. I'm going to copy this particular prompt. This first one, I'm going to copy this particular prompt. So I'm going to take this particular prompt to ChatGPT. So just in case you need this prompt, I'll drop it in the description so you can click on it and get access to it. I've not just given you a prompt, I've given you different prompts in different styles. Okay, so you can actually copy them and use them to animate your images. So right now, let's go to ChatGPT. So this is ChatGPT. Most of us will already have it on our phone, or you can access it using the web version. So now all I have to do is paste down my prompt that I want to use. I'm going to paste it here. So when I paste, you see this place where you have product type, you are going to insert the particular product you want to animate. If you're animating a bag, you type in bag. If it is a shoe, you type in shoe. If it is perfume, you put in the particular product that you want to animate. Whatever kind of, whether it is food, snack, whatever you want to animate, just type in the product type in this particular space. So for this tutorial, I'm animating a bag, so I'm going to type in bag. And that is just it. All that I need to do for this, and I will send this for ChatGPT to give me a prompt to animate that particular bag that I have uploaded. Simple, easy peasy. You don't need any editing skills at all. So let me send this and let's get our prompts. So this is the ChatGPT has given us our prompt that we're going to use to animate our bag. So look at it. So amazing. What I'm going to do right now is to copy this prompt that it has given to us. So I'm going to copy, just click on it to select it. Just click on it, drag it down to the last part of it. That is it. Then copy. We don't need this other last area. If you want, I can create. You don't need it. It's not part of the prompt that it has given to you. So now I'm going to go back to Grok. So here on Grok, this is what we're going to paste. This place we have type to imagine. We're going to paste that prompt here. So we're going to paste it. Look at it. So it has been pasted. All you have to do is click on send. This particular arrow that you have seen here is what you're going to click to send it. So now the video is generating. I just saw an option that I didn't mention initially. It has to do with the aspect ratio. I think I'll show you after this particular video has been generated. I'll show you how to select that. It just came up and I didn't see it on time. This is the video is generating. So are you going to wait for it? It's very fast. Honestly, it's faster than any other tool that I've ever used. So maybe there are faster tools out there that we're yet to discover. As time goes on, I'll review most of them on this channel. Just make sure you click the subscribe button so you stay updated. So the video has been generated and look at it. You may not see it clearly here. Let me show you everything in full. So let me click on this particular place so I'll show you the full video. So you see the motion of the bag. See, it's moving. It actually has sound. So I'm going to download this. I'll show you how it looks like. So this is our video. See the way the bag is rotating. Just from a static image, look at what we have. Honestly, this is so beautiful. So you can animate any product that you want to animate. All you have to do is use the prompt I give to you and go to Grok, paste your prompts, and you get your amazing video. So when you want to download, just click on the download button here. Click on it. Look at it, download it to your device. It's downloaded already. So this is it. This particular option I want to show us before. 16:9. So you select your desired aspect ratio. Do you want it 9:16? Like Facebook Reel, TikTok, YouTube Shorts, or you want it 16:9. This is YouTube long video format. So any of the aspect ratio that you want to use, just make sure that your aspect ratio you are selecting suits the particular platform that you want to post your video. So now I'm going to animate another product. So all I have to do is repeat the same process. Click on this plus again, or select on upload or drop images. So select the particular image you want to use. So this I'm going to animate a shoe. Let me click on this particular pink shoe and click on done. It has uploaded. So I'm going to go back to my document, copy that particular prompt or another prompt. Let's just see another prompt and see how it goes. So this time I'm going to copy the second prompt. So this time I'm going to type in, instead of me just putting a bag, I'm going to put in a shoe or heel. Let me just say heel. You can even put say high heel. Okay. Let me put a slash so that you understand what I'm going to say. High heel shoe. Okay, so I'm going to click on send. So it has given me a prompt that I can use for this particular shoe. So I'm going to copy it. And that is it. Just copy. So I'm going to paste it here. So I'm going to select particular, all of them are selected here. Video, 720p, 10 seconds, everything is selected here. So the aspect ratio has already been selected as 16:9. So it's not showing here right now, but I'm going to send it. So you can also confirm that when you are creating your video, so you actually generate your video in the accurate aspect ratio that you want. So right now, all these are set. All I have to click on is this arrow, send, to send it. So it's currently generating. You have to wait for it to generate. Wow, this is amazing. This is what we just generated. So beautiful. Wow, look at it. This is so beautiful. Honestly, this is so beautiful. From a static photo to this is what we have. Honestly, it's so beautiful. So no matter the products you're actually selling, you can animate it with AI. Turn it from being static to having motions. So now let's animate something else. Let's leave bag and shoes alone. Let's animate something different. So before that, all you have to do is click on this download it to your phone. Just download it. Now if you don't like the particular output that it has given to you, all you have to do is click on this particular place here. You can recreate it. Okay, you can also tweak your prompts. Maybe ChatGPT, you can go back to ChatGPT and tell ChatGPT that you don't like the result I gave to you, and ChatGPT can also give you an amazing result. So now let's upload another image. Let's upload food. I'm going to upload jollof rice or fried rice. Let me upload this. Done. Let me copy this first prompt. So go to product type and we are going to type in, I'm going to type in fried rice. Let me just put fried rice instead of plate of fried rice. Anyway, you can make it detailed. You can just put a detailed description. You can make it plate of fried rice or a bowl of ice cream or whatever you are selling. So I'm going to just put in fried rice. Let me send. Okay. The premium plate of fried rice. Okay, it has even given us a prompt that has plates of fried rice. So what we have to do is copy. Copy. So that is it. So everything is set. The 720p and 10 seconds set, and we're going to click on send. So mind you, the photos I'm using, like I said, are just for these tutorials. Okay, use your product photos. So maybe the photos online that you want to use are also what you are selling. Perfect. So you are free to use the image. Okay, so right now we're going to wait for it to generate, and we're going to see how it looks like. Wow, look at it. From this static to this. Oh my god, this is amazing. See what AI is doing to product pictures. Oh my god, this is so beautiful. Wow, amazing. Honestly, this is beautiful. So you can just simply download it to your phone by clicking on this arrow here, and amazing results on your device. So let's animate one more product, something different this time. So different. Okay, this is an event photo. I'm just going to click on it, a decorated event. I'm going to click on one of these. I'm going to click on done. So let's see how amazing this result is going to be like. So let's go back to our Google Doc. So let me copy the second prompt. So there are many the other prompts can copy. You just go to the document, copy it, and use it for your own product photos. So I'm going to say an outdoor event or an event in the, okay, let me just say decorated event. Let me just do like that. A decorated hall, or let's just use a decorated event. Decorated event or hall. Let's just leave it. Let me just put hall. Let me just put slash hall. Okay, then send. So decorated hall. Okay, so this is a prompt, a beautiful decorated. I'm going to copy it. Just copy what it gives to us. So I'm going to paste the prompt here and send. Other options are well arranged. The 720p, 10 seconds. I'm going to send. So I'm going to wait for it to generate. So if you watch the video to this point, make sure you like, subscribe to this channel, because I share many tutorials on content, positioning, strategy, and AI on this channel. So it has been generated for us. This is so amazing. Wow. So beautiful. Wow. This is so beautiful, honestly. Wow. So nice. So you can see the result I gave to us. From being static to animated, you can use this to animate your product photos. Easy peasy. You don't need any editing skills, just AI. Just follow the steps I've given to you. Get the prompt I've given to you. Go to ChatGPT, get its prompt that it will give to you. Come here, paste the prompt and send. Now you can use all these videos for your content on your social media platform, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, even your WhatsApp status. So all these things are so straight to the point. Now if you want to see all your creations, all you have to do is click on this particular place where you're having the image of the uploaded product. Just click on it. Then you see all the creations that you've had. So all you have to do is click on them and you can see what you've created. Okay, so this is it. I can go back here and I can click on another one like this bag. Now you see I can have access to it. Okay, so this is how you can animate your images using AI. Now let's talk about the mistakes you need to avoid. Number one, using low quality images. Ensure that any image you intend to use clearly represents your product or service. Number two mistake is over animating. Too much movement will make it look fake. In your prompts, don't over tweak things. Just make sure that whatever prompt you are using, it doesn't do too much. If the results you got is doing too much, then you can go to ChatGPT and tell it to adjust the prompt based on the too much movement. Then another mistake you need to avoid is no purpose. This is very important. Don't just animate for fun. Use it for a goal. Use it to push your business forward. Use it to get your product or service to the right audience, and use it to stand out in your line of business. And just in case you've not seen my previous video where I talked about right content guide every business owner should follow, you can check it out. The link is in the description. This will help you post with purpose. Now, how do you use this for your business? This is where most people miss it. If you're a product seller, you can animate your product, add captions, add call to action. For example, you can say this bag is available, DM to order. For a food vendor, you can show food movement, you can add your voice, you can even add text to it. For someone who is a service provider, you can do a before and after animation, you can do transformation videos. And this one is a bonus. This is for content creators who do faceless content. You can create videos without showing your face, use image, animate, and add your voice. And if you want to learn how to use AI to create content consistently and even monetize it, I have a community where I teach it step by step. Don't just watch this video, go and try it immediately. At the end of the day, AI is not the future, it's already here. The earlier you start using it, the faster you grow. If you got value from this video, make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.